Do you know how to use Chat GPT? Well, let's unravel the mystery together. Chat GPT is an advanced AI model, a brainchild of OpenAI. It's primarily designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. Imagine having a tool that could draft emails, write code, or create written content with a simple command. Intriguing, right? Its applications are as vast as your imagination. In the next minute and a half, discover how to use Chat GPT effortlessly. First things first, setting up Chat GPT. Begin by creating an OpenAI account. This step is straightforward and user-friendly. Once your account is up and running, you'll gain access to the OpenAI API, the key to unlocking the power of Chat GPT. But remember, with power comes responsibility. Make sure to read and fully understand OpenAI's usage policies. These guidelines ensure the ethical and effective use of this powerful tool. Once the setup is complete, you are ready to start using Chat GPT. Now, for the fun part, using Chat GPT. To start a conversation, you input a prompt, which is essentially your message to the AI. This plays a crucial role in the output generated. Just type in your questions, thoughts, or anything you want to talk about. Whether it's seeking information, discussing ideas, or even just having a casual chat. For instance, if you want the AI to sound like Shakespeare, your system message could be, "You are an assistant that speaks like Shakespeare." Remember, the clearer and more detailed your prompts, the better the results. With these tips, you can start getting the most out of ChatGPT. Before wrapping up, here are some crucial tips to remember. The key to mastering ChatGPT lies in setting it up correctly, and in using clear, concise prompts. Remember, responsible usage is paramount when interacting with any form of AI. Don't be afraid to explore and experiment. You never know what fascinating conversations you might spark with this intelligent machine. With these insights, you're ready to harness the power of ChatGPT. Happy exploring.